We all sneeze pretty much every day, right? But sneezing doesn't have to be just another boring body thing. I've got 3 wild Guinness World Records about sneezing for you. Let's turn it into a little game. I will hit you with a question and you've got 3 seconds to guess the answer. Don't sweat it though. No penalties for a wild guess. Just have some fun. Record number 1. What's the fastest speed a sneeze has ever reached? The answer is 103.6 miles per hour. Sneezes are speed demons. Fun fact: we don't just sneeze because of dust, allergens or viruses. Some people sneeze from sunlight, perfume scents or spices. Record number 2. How long did the longest sneezing fit ever last? 976 days straight. This record belongs to Donna Griffiths from the UK. She started on January 13th, 1981 and had her first break on September 16th, 1983. Imagine that, she sneezed about 1 million times in the first year alone. Ouch! Record number 3. What's the biggest fish in the world that can sneeze? The only species of fish that can sneeze is the hagfish or slime eel. This sneaky fish slides into others and eats their insides. It then slips out of the hole by secreting vast amounts of slime which lubricates its body. It prevents itself from suffocating in its own slime by sneezing it out of its primitive respiratory slits. Nature's wild, right? So, how many did you guess right? Or did any of these sneeze facts totally blow your mind? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe to stay connected. Thanks for watching and see you next time.